How to set up conversion tracking in Google Ads. Welcome guys, in today's video I am going to show you how to set up conversion tracking in Google Ads. First, you need to make sure you're logged in into your Google Ads account. Then you go to the top, click on Tools and Settings. And under Measurement, click on Conversions. The next step, you want to click on New Conversion Action. And here you want to select the kind of conversions that you want to track. So if you want to track on a website, you click on this one. If you have an app, you click on this one. The phone calls and import data from Google Analytics or another source, you put on this one. If you click on a website, here you can put in your website domain. And after that, you can click on Save and Continue. And then you need to follow a few more steps. You need to set up your Google tag. You will need to add the Google tag codes to your website, which requires the ability to edit website codes. You can learn more about how conversion tracking works and why to use it by reading about it in the Google Ads Help Center. Let's cancel for now, because if we want to go to the app, click on that. Here you can select how to track your app conversions. So you can use a third-party app, Google Play, or Google Analytics for properties. Let's say we click on Google Play. Here you can choose installations or in-app purchases. So you want to see how many people install it, or do you want to see how many purchases they do? Let's say click on installation, click on continue. Here you can follow these steps. And after you add in all your information, so your conversion name, your own mobile app, and the value. So measure your ad performance by setting a value for each conversion. And once you've done that, you can click on Create and Continue. And then you have finished it for your app. Now I'll click on Cancel because we can go to the third one, the phone calls. So here you want to select the source of the phone calls that you like to track. As you can see, if you want to track calls from ads using call extensions or call only ads, you click on this one. So we choose the first one, click on Continue. And again, you fill in all the information that they ask. In the end, click on Create and Continue. And then you've done it for the third one. There was one more, Import. So that depends. You can choose what you want to import. So there are a few options here. Google Analytics for properties, Google Analytics, third-party apps, other data sources or CRMs, or manual import using API or uploads. Let's say we go for a third-party app analytics, click on continue. As you can see, I don't have one, so you can't find the information, but if you do, you find the information here. Select the correct one and then click on import and continue. I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.